喺哥倫坡去 Cameron 咪好咯。
瞓覺咪好咯。
Total of 11 climbs. This is the second climb. Seems very gentle. Only 4%. Yeah, it's going to be pitch dark soon. We're still on highway 410. Very few cars. We've got the whole road, in fact I think the whole town to ourselves. How are you feeling, mate?
Fucking sleepy.
It's pitch dark. It's pitch dark. We are in the middle of a climb. Yeah, this is what it's all about. We met a fellow cyclist across the road. He just came across to say hi.
Oh, 10年咯，10年咯，
啊
早喎，哦，3點，慣咗咯，慣咗啦，我7點幾就。
But right now, at 3:50 in the morning, it's pitch black. Whoa, check it out. It looks like a sand processing plant. Dog! That's the army checkpoint. There are a couple of them along the 410 highway. Okay. สวัสดีครับ โ reach the junction up. This is going to be a little bit steep. This is off 410. Sekiawe. That's the turn off. The climb starts here a little bit. It's going to be pitch dark, as you can see. We're just going to head up here. And it's probably 10% here. Wish us luck. And this heads to Yala and Patani. Let's go, let's go! Yes, and we have run out of gears. Look at the color on the Garmin. Let's go. Yeah, it's pitch dark. I'm not sure you can see me face. We're doing good so far. Look at the Garmin, it's all red. It's pitch dark. It's pitch dark, guys. It's pitch dark. There's 9%. %. All right. See you in the clouds, mate. Wait for you there. %. It's going to get steeper a little bit here. Oh, this is pretty cool. Halfway up. Yeah.
Merci.
Break. Look at the color. Yeah. It's not too far away. Awesome. Yeah, just standing. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, almost there. 4 km. 4 km. 4 km and we're there. Okay, maybe there. Almost there. Yeah. 1 cadence at a time. 1 RPM a second. It's very doable. Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. 2.6 km to go up. Almost there. We're almost there. Let's do it. Shibai. Oh, Shibai. Moses. Okay, it flattens out. It's good, it's good. I'm doing it like what? 300 watts. Okay, it's very misty. So you can, let's do it. Yeah, there's a moon up there.
Jalan kaki.
Okay, jalan kaki lah. Kita tolak basikal. Sabar, kita tunggu kawan dulu.
Tunggu kawan dulu.
Ah. We made it. The wall. Say hello. Check out the mist. Well, it hasn't cleared yet. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, baby. Fuck yeah. There's a sea of mist, but there's also clouds. People are going up to the platform here. There's a long queue. We're not planning to go up. Yeah, unfortunately for Stanley, we can't see the mist. Can see a bit of the mist. Sun is up. Video嚟嘅喂。We are going to get some Thailand Aiyerweng. This is Thailand Aiyerweng.